Hello and welcome to the Applied AI News. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge developments across AI, focusing on their real-world impact. We'll start with advancements in industry with Nvidia's vision of AI agents and how Google is looking to empower enterprises. Then we'll investigate a few academic breakthroughs with large concept models, the inner workings of LLMs, and methods to increase their factuality and performance. Finally, we will discuss tools and techniques from speech generation to improving visual models and optimizing small language models. We'll wrap up with a quick recap and some lighthearted fun to finish the segment. Let's dive into the world of industry news and standards. First, Nvidia is envisioning a radical shift in how we work. They're not just talking about better tools, but about AI agents as digital employees. By 2025, they predict these agents, powered by platforms like Nemo and NIMS, could handle up to half of the tasks in marketing, customer service, and supply chain management. Beyond business, they see potential for personalized AI support in education, health, and even personal relationships. This is a significant shift that will require a large focus on training and evaluation, and also careful consideration of the ethical impacts that arise from such a significant change. This has large implications for Microsoft, who have recently announced the AI copilots for pretty much everything they do, meaning that this is where the future of productivity and office work might be heading, not just at Nvidia. Related to the theme of empowering enterprises, Google is also making a move with Agent Space. Although they have not provided many details yet, they are aiming to enable businesses to create their own AI agents. This is not just about task automation, but also better decision-making capabilities, potentially adding massive value to corporations looking for the next advantage. Together, these two articles highlight a trend towards AI agents becoming an integral part of our professional and personal lives. Speaking of personal assistants, OpenAI is rolling out enhanced memory for ChatGPT, enabling it to reference previous conversations across multiple chats. This is another step towards making chatbots function as true personal assistants that learn our preferences and tailor responses accordingly. Google's Gemini is following suit with a similar feature, making this a trend that is becoming an industry standard, which all points to better user experience with time. Now, let's move to academic and science breakthroughs. A very interesting paper has come out where researchers have looked into large concept models, which are moving away from token-level processing the way LLMs normally operate. They're doing this by operating on explicit higher-level semantic representations, or concepts, which they define as a sentence. This is a new way of thinking about how models process information and generate content, possibly unlocking new creative and reasoning capabilities. This is a very important distinction because humans are not processing text on a token level, and this attempts to capture something closer to the way humans process information, meaning that this approach, if proven correct, will be a significant move in the direction of better intelligence. In another piece of compelling research, scientists are challenging our understanding of how LLMs solve complex tasks. They looked at how LLMs perform arithmetic and discovered that they aren't using algorithms as we might expect, but rather what they are calling a bag of heuristics. These heuristics are simple pattern recognizers that associate inputs with answers. This is a significant departure from the idea of a generalizable reasoning engine, and it shows the way LLMs really operate, giving us insight into how we can improve them. Building on the idea of improving LLMs, researchers have developed DOLA, an approach that tackles the problem of hallucinations, or factual inaccuracies. It works by contrasting the outputs of different layers within the LLM to surface factual knowledge. This is interesting because it does not require external data retrieval, nor it requires fine-tuning, and it provides a very easy and practical way to make sure that the model produces a correct and truthful answer. This could be used in a wide range of applications with massive value add. And finally, the last article in this group provides insight into DNOV2 with registers, which addresses the problem of artifacts in image attention maps. It uses special register tokens during pre-training to make the resulting attention maps cleaner and interpretable, which eventually leads to better performance in the real world. Let's get into tools and techniques. Meta AI researchers have unveiled Voicebox, a generative AI model for speech that can generalize across various tasks. Using a novel technique called flow matching, Voicebox learns from diverse speech patterns, enabling it to synthesize speech, perform noise removal, edit audio, convert styles, and generate samples across 6 languages. While the model isn't publicly available due to potential misuse, its versatility is impressive. There is a new framework named Aguvis which provides a pure vision-based approach for autonomous GUI interaction. Aguvis provides a unified way to operate across web, desktop, and mobile platforms. The project provides all the materials to replicate it, including code, datasets, and training instructions. Finally, the last article focuses on quantization and mixed-mode techniques for making small language models more efficient, using various quantization methods to map floating-point numbers to smaller integers, reducing memory usage and inference time, without significant accuracy loss. This is especially useful if you want to run your model on a CPU or even a mobile phone. In summary, today we explored how AI agents are poised to transform industries and daily life, while groundbreaking research is revealing the inner workings of LLMs and ways to enhance their performance. We also looked at the practical methods to build and deploy cutting-edge tools. These advancements demonstrate AI's potential to transform productivity and human-computer interaction. Thank you for listening in, and see you next time.